Check it out, we're back with another edition of sticker submissions. This one's checking in at August 2018. Let's check out what people sent in. So we got our first pack in here from Enemy Amir. He sent a nice fat stack, tons of hand-draws. I've dug through this, so I'm hyped for it. Check out his Instagram right here. I'll have that linked down in the description as well. And he also sent in an envelope to get some stickers in return, so I'll definitely be filling that up for him. So starting out, we've got this little dollar blank. It's a pretty cool one. Nothing too telling on it as far as who made this blank, but real sweet nonetheless. So we got a mirror on the top, Boss YSBK, some printouts of that. Now these feel like vinyls, real cool, kind of almost matte texture to the ink on them, like those. YSBK and Boss probably are his crews. Plenty to go around with those, even a little different derivative there. Very nice. A little drawing on one of those dollar blanks. So we got YSB. Very cool. A little stuck in together here. Let's hopefully not hurt the back guy too much. Performed a pretty good surgery there with this Yes Special. Looks like an eggshell sticker, so real sweet. Nice backdrop. Larger size too. Had that guy upside down, but we've got nice little yellow, almost throw up style overlap there. Some more YSB. Lots of hand draws in here. Definitely a timely pack. Must have been a lot of time spent going through these. So thank you for all the hard work on that. Not too many prints just yet. First character going in. Got some horns on that guy. Another Boss. Cool little Miller. Hella My Name Is blank. Nice one. Lots of different colors here. Even done with a mop on that guy. Not familiar with this design. Cool little holographic decals. YSBs. Another Boss. Some more of those. Then we've got a Simply Subies Colorado decal. Very nice. Another yellow YSB. Got a gold hinted mop there. Big collab already. Sweet little character there, and then another one over here. Plenty of room for somebody else. Couple primo blanks. Little green blanks there. AZ decal. Maybe Arizona. This kind of looks like it's got a state shape to it. Might have some correlation to those other decals. Very nice throw-ups. Wow, I like that guy a lot. It's got a slightly subtle slime on this one. Cool, that's all of them. Definitely a big thank you to you, Amir, for the fat pack. I'll be packaging this up in return and sending it out. So much like Amir, if you want to send your own stickers in, feel free to send a pack with your own stickers filled up, and also include an envelope with some stamps on it so I can package some other stickers up and send them back to you. I'll readdress this to myself. His address is under here, but basically that'll allow me to kind of take an ease off the shipping side of things and get these kind of sent out and send your stickers around as well. We've seen CG before. He sent another pack in here as well. You can see my P.O. box is right here on his return envelope. Open this up. Got his stamps all lined up as well, so this will be easy to pack up. Send him some goodies in return. Got a little Sonar and a little U.S.A there, so not CG stuff, but sending along some other artists. Haven't kept up with Sonar stuff. I wonder what he's up to. So we got SEIJI throw up there. Double postal. Nice postal blank. I was actually looking for a old guy for a collab, so I'm gonna have to set that aside for myself. I'll be needing that to send along a collab to somebody else. A little SIVE tribute there. Big thanks on this kind of unique blank. Couple more in there. SIVE tags and another little throw up. CG on this hello. Got some Japanese characters, I believe. Got some more of those collage style comic books. Nice assortment of hello blanks. People will be loving those. So we got some more printouts up here. similar to last time he sent in. Some of those anime style. Got the gorillas guy right there. Very nice. Quadruples. I've always conned between whether or not to slice these up and spread them between more people, or kind of leave the big set for everybody. ECL, I believe. Some more anime style printouts. Very cool. Read that comic if you'd like. Funny little mascot guy. We got a couple of these. Another one of the comics. SJ, a little Japanese stencil. I believe he sent this stencil in the last pack too. Cool to see that repeated. I'll have his Instagram in the description of the video as well if you want to just click over there and give him a follow. Maybe check him out to do a one-on-one trade. It's like a big collab here. It's a cool one. A little vinyl printout of his astronaut. Tie-dye in the background from a different artist, Delirious. I have to check that out as well. Haven't heard of them before. Cool little bird. Got a little mix of stuff here. Rant, I printed that sticker, so maybe he's returning some of the stickers I sent him the last time. Cool, on the last tag. Thank you, CG, for the pack. And last but not least, we've got one here from Pacer. And Pacer actually just updated his Instagram Plndr, so I'll have to see what he wants me to contact or let you guys contact him through. Appreciate the little gray SIVE tribute. Nice use of that. I can't say I see gray too much used, especially as a primary. A little mini collab. Some nice little throw-ups. Sweet little SIVE tribute. Appreciate that. Purple as well. Real big sticker here, doubled up on the new USPSs. Very nice. Pink background with a nice gray touch. Like that as well. Looks like I'm getting ahead of that. Pick this guy on top first. Looks like it's a little mismatch of a bunch of different blanks put together for that. Simple black and white throw up as well. Sweet deal. Here we go on a little bigger collab. Maybe I'll jump on that and send it along. Got a little Noxon in. Another nice little Pacer tag. Another guy. Some more purple. Definitely a bunch of little tags in here. Like the color choices. Definitely adds some brightness to other people's packs when you guys choose to use some more color. Can't really compliment it enough. I know I definitely prefer receiving in a big pack that's got, not all just black and white, but even if they're green or yellow tags, something a little bit different. And then last up on Pacer. So I got a couple little bonuses here. So these are from Chris Haven. Met up with him actually at a mural festival here in Denver. It was called Crush Walls. Juxtaposed magazine put it together. We were just chit-chatting at the bar one day. So he sent a few stickers my way, a couple eggs, and then this little printout. So big ups to him. I'll have his stuff in the description as well. So not directly sticker submissions, but I thought I'd throw it in. I wanted to say if you also caught my decal video, I didn't end up flipping through all the different colors I made. So I figured this would be a good time to show those two color decals off. Even save some of just the internal blacks to make some salvage decals out of. So I got black, I got gold. Let's see what else we got in here. Lots of gold. Got that baby blue that I showed off in the video quite a few times. Another white guy. And actually printed some on some holographic shell. So let's get a nice little light on here. It's a little tough to see through the transfer tape. Not as holographic as normal, but definitely on there. And I actually did the black shell too, so that means it's totally shell material, and I'm excited to see how these kind of withstand the weather and test the time. A few of those, more gold, whites, a couple one-offs, so nice little orange and white. Did an orange and black in the video, I think. Pink, some of those purples that were in the video. I also included some of those white on purples. Big offset there. See what that one sticks as. So yeah, definitely those were fun to put together, and did some independent holographic ones. So we just got old design here, a little throw up design did in the first final video. some pixel stuff, and then this guy I haven't shown up before. Sketched that a while ago and decided to just throw it up. So that being said, I've got the holographic packs back in stock. They had a little hiatus there while I was moving, totally had sold out of them. So we got 3x4s for $5. We got the black ones as well as the white SIVE shells. So I've got all the blank needs you could ever want up on the shop, real fair price as well. So check those out if you're interested, or if you missed the restock a few days ago, they'll be on there. Big shout out to the 3 people that sent in stickers for this month. We got YSB, CAG, and Pacer. It was very letter heavy this month. Come next month, if you want to send in a sticker pack to be featured in a video, or get a pack and return on top of it, send an envelope with your artwork address to P.O. Box 150459 at Lakewood, Colorado 80215. That'll get the pack to me, and then if you want something in return, just package something up, add some stamps on top, and address it to yourself. Pretty simple, easy way to get your stuff around and get a little pack and return. Be sure to check out all the artists I mentioned in the video, their Instagrams and stuff below. That's gonna do it for me, guys. Peace.